Dito na kami sa airport. Hindi naman to kalakihan, pero mas malaki to kaysa sa Indiana. This is bigger than Indiana, right, Han? Oh, that is Crown Plaza, Han. That is the one we got married. That place. Diyan kami kinasal. Na dyan yung judge. Diyan kami kinasal sa Crown Plaza Hotel. Ayun ang UPS, oh. Yan. Sariling airport to na may sariling airport at mga plane ang UPS. Ito na kami. Ang daming plane ng UPS. Ano to sa may dulo? Departure, arrival. So we are going to arrival. Yep. We're not in departure. It is November. Uwi kami ng November.
Oh, they packed up.
First time yung asawa ko na makapunta ng Pilipinas. Mamit niya yung family. Attend kami ng reunion. Spend ng holiday, Christmas, New Year, reunion. Baggage claim, yes, custom and border protection deliveries. Ooh, it's too many, huh?
Must be a lot of delay.
Oh my goodness, it's a lot. Americans United,
We all in
Spirit.
the back. Southwest is in the back. That's what we do. There's a lot of delays today.
Dito kami sa Southwest.
Southwest.
I think it is not yet. I'm not seeing anyone. Yes, Southwest. Gonna cut it. Wala pa, nag-aantay pa. Anong antay pa, kalalabas lang nila. Wala pa ang ate ko, nag-aantay pa. Yan, palabas na kami. Let's go. Vlog ako, kapiingay. Ayun na si Tyrone, no? Nag-aantay na siya, nga excited eh. Sabi sa akin na magkikita na kayo mag-sister. Tawa ako na tawa kay Tyrone. Ayun, no? Ayun, no? Yan. Southwest. No, the luggage delay.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, that's why we wait too long.
That's why so many people out here. All the luggage is delayed.
Ate, hindi ka rin nag-umagahan, ano?
Hindi. Ganyan lang ako. Straight lang ako. Kaya kung kanto, kung nalaman mo, kung kanto po biya, kung kanto po.
Baga.
Siguro kaya ako nahihiyo.
Diyan kami kinasal sa Crown Plaza Hotel, ate. Ng Judge
Judge Cameron.
Garfield. Judge Garfield. Kaya kayang-kaya nating ano yan, i-memorize. Hindi ko makalimutan kasi basta field, lagyan mo lang ng Gary, kapatid niya.
It's a nice day. Huh?
Ano ibili mo ate? Yung shirt na Kentucky.
Ha?
Kentucky shirt.
Oo.
Sabi mo bibili ka.
Tsaka yung iniisip ko mahiga eh. May ilo.
Kentucky shirt na lang.